Our Day, page number 3.
Hello, it is morning. Here comes the sun. It rises in the east. The birds start singing. Our day begins now. The sun gives us light and heat. The sun sets in the west.
Page number 4.
It is evening. Now the moon and the stars come out. Birds go back to their nests. People go back home. They have dinner and go to bed.
Let's try this. Complete the following. 1. The sun rises in the dash. 2. Our day begins when the dash comes out in the sky. 3. The sun gives us light and dash. 4. The moon and the stars come out at dash. 5. Birds go back to their dash.
To the teacher. Make the children look at the pictures and talk about them in their mother tongue. Then read out the text. Make them notice the words in bold.
Page number 5. 2. Here are some pictures in which some work is done by the children. You can use the words given in the box. One has been done as an example. For example, Mazhar is writing. Is writing is underlined to fill in the blank. Jury dash dash. I dash dash. Sarita and Raman dash dash. They dash dash bananas. The words that you can use to fill in the blanks are running, is dancing, are eating, am reading. Page number 6. 3. Read the following sentences. A. Here comes the sun. It rises in the east. It refers to the sun. It is used for one. B. Point out what it refers to in the following sentences. I like chocolate. It is sweet. I like the rain. It is beautiful. C. Read the following sentences. People go back home. They have dinner. They is for people. They means more than one. D. Point out what they refers to in the following. Here are Neil, Anwar and Tulsi. They are singing. Look at the Boy Scouts. They are in uniform. E. Try to make sentences of your own using it and they. 4. Listen to the following sets of words read out by your teacher. Take the word in each set which has a sound different from the first word. One has been done for you. 1. Kite, light, right, fit. 2. Bat, gate, rat, mat. 3. Hip, lip, keep, dip. 4. Sheet, sheep, seat, ship. 5. But, cut, put, hut.
To the teacher. Help children learn to use it and they correctly. Read aloud the words given in exercise 4 twice. Ask the children to listen to it carefully.
Page 7. 5. Here are some pairs of words. Your teacher will say one word from each pair. Listen to the teacher and tick the word you hear in each pair. Thin, tin. Fill, feel. Ship, sip. Coal, goal, pan, fan, full, fool, bat, bet. Copy the words in your notebook. 6. When you hear the word sun, what are the things that come to your mind? Make circles and write them down in those circles. One has been done for you.
In a rectangle in the center, there is sun written over it. There are 5 circles around it. In one of the circles, light is written. What else can you imagine when you see sun? Or think about it? Write it down in the circles. To the teacher, say each word clearly and loudly so that children can understand. Help them with a few examples. Help children fill in the circles.